Every once in a while, a community comes along that doesn't just offer a place to live, it offers a way to live. Today, we're not just visiting a development, we're stepping into a story, one of growth, harmony, investment, and legacy. Welcome to another episode on our YouTube channel. I'm Dhruv Bindrani, and today we're exploring a project that truly redefines what it means to live in Dubai. This is Jebel Ali Village, where convenience meets serenity and tradition meets tomorrow. Developed by Nakheel, one of Dubai's most iconic developers, the same name behind the Palm Jumeirah, Jebel Ali Village carries with it a legacy of quality and vision. Every great story begins at the right place, and in Dubai, that place is often where connectivity leads to opportunity. Jebel Ali Village is strategically located in Jebel Ali first, surrounded by thriving neighborhoods like Al Furjan, Discovery Gardens, and Wasl Gate, forming what I like to call the green belt of New Dubai. And what makes this location unmatched is its direct access to Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai's main artery, which is just 5 minutes away. Whether you're commuting to areas like downtown Dubai, DIFC, JLT, or even Abu Dhabi for that matter, you're at the city's geographic sweet spot. You have two metro stations within 5 minutes. One is Ibn Battuta and the Energy Metro Station, giving residents the rare benefit of suburban living with urban mobility. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds, walking through tree-lined paths instead of concrete corridors. That's the vision behind Jebel Ali Village, a carefully planned community that combines natural surroundings and modern comforts. This isn't just a master plan development, it's a revival of an iconic neighborhood, the original Jebel Ali Village, which was planned to be built during the 1970s and served as a home to expatriate families for decades. At this time, Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum planned to develop Jebel Ali into an industrial area with its own airport, port, and even a township. Jebel Ali Village was effectively a small British-style garden city. Construction for the redevelopment of Jebel Ali Village began by 2008 and was originally planned to be complete by 2013. But due to some unforeseen circumstances, it was stopped during the recession. And in 2021, it was announced that it would pave way for luxury townhouses and villas. What Nakheel has done is honor that legacy while shaping it for today's discerning buyer. Now back to the present time. Let's talk about the amenities. At the heart of any community lies in its open spaces, and Jebel Ali Village is abundant with them. From lush green parks and shaded walking trails to community gardens, cycling tracks, and also outdoor children playing areas, the layout encourages connection to nature at every single step. Architecturally, it's a blend of Mediterranean and contemporary design. Clean lines, large windows, open floor plans, and a sense of spatial generosity you rarely see in a new development. Whether you're stepping into a townhouse or a villa, the design invites you to breathe, to relax, and feel at home. At the end of this part, I just want to add a bit of my personal feeling. I love this community, not just as a realtor, but as someone who sees families creating memories here. It's one of those places where life feels a little bit slower, a little bit more calmer, and a lot more complete. What truly sets this community apart isn't just its green spaces or architecture. It's the spirit of inclusivity that flows through its core. You'll find places of worship that reflect Dubai's cultural mosaic. Mosques, a gurudwara, the Hindu temple, and multiple churches, all within a short drive of 10 minutes. For many, this adds a deep sense of peace and belonging. Just minutes away is Ibn Battuta Mall, inspired by global travel and home to everything, from cafes and fashion to fitness. And right here, in the center of the community, is Jebel Ali Recreation Club, the social heartbeat of the neighborhood. With restaurants, a gym, entertainment zones, this is where neighbors become friends. Now let's talk homes. At Jebel Ali Village, each property is more than just four walls. It's a canvas for your life. The community features both townhouses and villas, offering a wide range of sizes and configurations. Here's a quick breakdown for you. 3-bedroom townhouses are starting at an area of 2800 and go up to 2900 square feet. The plot sizes average at around 2600, meaning you don't get the sense of being claustrophobic. Instead, you enjoy each moment you live here. 4-bedroom townhouses with the average built up of 3100 for the middle units and 3300 square feet for the corner units. The plot sizes in the middle will be 2600 to 2700 square feet and the end units will have 3600 to 4200. This is where we come to the big players. 4-bedroom villas with a built-up of 4200 to 6000 square feet, which are upgraded units, and the plot size being 6000 to 7000 square feet. With 5-bedroom villas starting at built-ups of 4700 to 6000 square feet, similar to the 4-bedrooms, and the plot sizes from 7000 to 8000 square feet. One of the most thoughtful design features of Jebel Ali Village is the sense of privacy and exclusivity built into every home. No matter which villa you choose, you'll never be staring into someone else's backyard. It's a small detail, but one that makes a huge difference in how home truly feels. These homes offer high ceilings, closed kitchens, large backyards, and even optional elevators in some villa layouts. Perfect for multi-generational living or future-proofing your home. The big question: what are the numbers and the values? Because what you're getting here is not just a home, but a long-term asset in one of Dubai's most underrated investment corridors. Here's what the market currently stands at. The current prices for a 3-bedroom townhouse are averaging at 4.1 million dirhams to 4.3 million. The 4-bedroom townhouses start from 4.8, go up to 5.5 million, and some owners are asking as high as 6 million dirhams. 4-bedroom villas from 7.5 million, and the last 5-bedroom villa transacted at 11 million dirhams. You might have one question in mind: what were the initial launch prices? For the 3-bedroom townhouses, they launched at 2.5 million dirhams to 2.8 million dirhams. The 4-bedroom townhouses from 3.2 to 3.6, 4-bedroom villas from 4.2 to 4.9, and 5 bedrooms from 5.3 to 6.3 million dirhams. That's a 50 to 60% increase in capital appreciation purely during the off-plan phase. And here's why that matters. With Palm Jebel Ali now revived and massive infrastructure investments flowing into the Jebel Ali corridor like Javza, this area is set to become one of Dubai's future hotspots. That makes Jebel Ali Village not just a smart purchase for today, but a visionary one for tomorrow. The final year before the handover is where the magic happens. This is when a development transforms from blueprint to reality, and demand from end users surges. At this stage, investors see stronger resale potential, higher rental demand upon the handover, lower risk with visible progress, and premium appreciation with minimal weight. For villas and townhouses, which are already in a very limited supply, this effect is being amplified. Jebel Ali Village is entering that phase right now. That's your window. This isn't just another new launch, it's an investment in lifestyle, connectivity, and future capital growth. Whether you're looking for a family home or an appreciating asset, Jebel Ali Village ticks every single box. How does Jebel Ali Village compare to nearby communities? When evaluating a property, it's crucial to understand the market landscape, especially when you're looking at villas and townhouses communities, in close proximity that too. So let's compare Jebel Ali Village with other prominent options in the area. Murooj Al Furjan, which I personally work at right now, a comparable community by Nakheel with a similar mix of townhouses and villas. 3-bedroom townhouses starting from 4.2 to 4.7 million dirhams, 4-bedroom townhouses from 5 million to 5.5 million dirhams, 4-bedroom villas from 6.5 to 8 million depending on the layout and size, 5-bedroom villas from 7.7 to 9 million. Tilal Al Furjan focused more on larger villa layouts. This is another Nakheel development nearby. 4-bedroom semi-detached villas starting from 5 million to 6 million. 4-bedroom independent villas 7 million to 8 million. And 5-bedroom villas 8.1 million to 9 million. Wasl Gate, a townhouse-heavy community located just minutes away. 3-bedroom townhouses starting from 4.3 million dirhams, with many owners asking for 4.5 million plus. 4-bedroom townhouse starting from 5.3 million. So what does this tell us? These numbers confirm that Jebel Ali Village is priced in line with, and in some cases even better than, comparable communities. But what truly sets it apart is its unique combination of larger average plot sizes, more open green spaces, stronger historical and emotional value, direct access to the main Sheikh Zayed Road and metro stations nearby. In terms of lifestyle, long-term value and end-user appeal, Jebel Ali Village is not just keeping pace, it's quietly leading the pack. And at Property Zone, we don't just sell homes, we unlock lifestyles. Our team is dedicated to helping you make smart, informed decisions, whether you're a first-time buyer, seasoned investor, or just someone looking for a place that finally feels right. With deep market knowledge and a genuine passion for what we do, we are here to guide you every step of the way. And if Jebel Ali Village feels like your future, or even if you're just curious to know what's next, reach out to us. I'd be happy to walk you through the details, tour the site, or simply just have a chat. So don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to the Property Zone YouTube channel for more in-depth insights into Dubai's best communities. This is Dhruv Bindrani, and I'll see you guys at the next property.